I'm gonna show you a screen recording of how I introduce the pilot slides to one of my recent clients. And makikita mo yung thought process ko kung paano ko dinesign yung mga slides. I hope you can appreciate kung ano yung efforts na nilalagay ko sa mga slides na yon. And this is the feedback that I got from him when I sent this video. Ang bilis na kausap, approve na agad. Hey Dugan, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. As promised, these are the 6 pilot slides showing the design in action. All right. Again, the purpose of this is for us to get to know your feedback early on so that we can adjust the visualization even before starting with the rest of the deck. That way we can minimize delays, right? Starting with the first slide, the cover, we retained your language. We also used your brand colors. And if you notice, this image that we use actually has some tints of this one so that it will be visually coherent. We used a happy man to show that there is really, you can be happy knowing these secrets, and you can be, it's a face of success, right? I feel like this is a compelling image to use. So, yep. The next one, as you can see, this on your outline, this is the third slide, right? But we made it our second slide. Why? Because we feel like starting with a quote, with a really strong quote from the great book, would pique the interest of your audience. At the same time, we remove this on the slide because this can be part of your speaking points already, right? Because when you're showing a presentation, so as you can see, these are your speaker notes. When you're showing a presentation, less is more, because the audience you want the audience to look at you instead of the screen, right? Because you're the expert. The screen is not the expert, right? So less is more. The third one is your bio. So yeah, thanks for sending these. This is the best layout among the layouts that my team came up with. So we're choosing this one. Simple yet strong. The next is the strategy definition. This was your definition, and with our copywriter, we opted for this one. But yeah, definitely we can stick with the original one. Depends on you. Just let us know. It's easy to change the words. All right. The idea is that we wanted lesser things on the screen. Ironically, for the next slide, it has a lot of characters, right? As you can see. What we did, however, is that we just emphasized the keywords, right? Like unique opportunities, relatively uncorrelated public markets. But if you feel like the other phrases or words need to be emphasized other than these ones, just let us know, right? Next one, last one, tactic. Okay, personally, when someone says tactic to me, the thing that comes to my mind is anything verb, an action word instead of a noun. That's why on our design, we made it understand the essentials instead of the essentials when looking, right? So what is the tactic? To understand the essentials. Yeah, hope that makes sense. Please let us know your feedback so we can work on these 6 slides. But if you're good with this one, we can definitely start with the 7th slide all the way to the end. All right, thank you. Hey, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if it's brought value to you, kung nabigay siya ng value sa'yo. And as always, stay awesome.